Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Sign into the Google account tied to the Play Store and make sure the country and currency match where you want to spend. Next, add money now, redeem a gift card, enter a payment card, or use carrier billing. Each method updates your Play balance. Once done, open the Play Store menu and view your balance as a dollar amount. This ensures the funds are ready and prioritized before you attempt purchases or subscriptions. You now pick what to buy: an app, a subscription, or an in-app item, and tap the price or subscribe button. On the payment screen, specifically choose Play Balance as the payment method so the store draws from your funds first. If the balance is insufficient, it will combine with another method. Make sure to confirm the total, then authorize with your PIN, fingerprint, or Google password. After purchase, keep the receipt email for records and to verify the charged amount. You finish by managing purchases. Open Play Store, go to subscriptions to cancel or change plans, and use order history to request refunds when eligible. Make sure to update payment methods and verify family sharing if you want to share funds. If a purchase uses another card instead of Play Balance, check that the balance is in the same country and currency, and that it's primary. If that doesn't fix it, contact Google support for help. They can resolve account or regional issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.